Hi, I'm Melanie, Principal Designer of Melanie Roy Design. I can't wait to show you my newest project, this Prewar duplex on Park Avenue. As you know, the entry sets the tone for the whole apartment, and Glamour plays a huge role in the design of this space. I installed white marble floors with crystal accent inlays that glisten as you enter the apartment. I paired that with a polished stainless steel handrail and this fabulous seated glass light, which welcomes you into the grand living room. The challenge with this living room was creating an intimate spot for family and friends to gather. I accomplished this by placing two curved sofas across from each other. They're upholstered in gray velvet and almost feel like they're floating in the room on these acrylic mounts. I paired them with a faceted steel coffee table and halo crystal light above. It's like jewelry in the home. I anchored the sofas in front of the fireplace, which is the focal point of the room. I selected silver leaf glass wall panels and installed two acrylic etched consoles on either side of the fireplace with playful art above. And this sexy steel and glass bar is the perfect spot to welcome guests with a cocktail. One modern element I did add was a large opening between the living room and the den to encourage flow for entertaining. This den also serves as a formal dining room. This custom table opens to seat 14 for large dinner parties. I lacquered these walls a dark gray and included these faceted crystal sconces and pendant over the table. Since this was a family home, I knew I needed a place for keepsakes and family heirlooms. So I selected this bookcase and custom colored it to match the walls. Again, this space was a place to entertain, but I really wanted it to be a place for the family to gather. This butler's pantry was truly the jewel of the home, and I wanted it to sparkle. I started by selecting this herringbone mirrored backsplash and paired it with these gorgeous quartz countertops. And I continued the lacquer from the den onto these cabinets. I love a white kitchen, so I brought in these custom white lacquer cabinets. I contrasted it with this mosaic stainless steel backsplash. I created a banquette in the corner, a classic Saarinen table I paired with acrylic chairs and a leather banquette. And above the island, I placed a pair of mirror ball lights. It just adds a touch of glamour and luxury. Upstairs is the primary bedroom. I designed this room to be a soothing sanctuary in the busy city. I selected a soothing palette and then brought in some luxurious materials like silk woven rug and silk wallpaper. And I upholstered the bed in this luxurious fabric and flanked it with these white glass and polished steel end tables. I placed this curvaceous settee in the corner by the window so you could reflect at the end of the day. And it wouldn't be complete without this glamorous crystal chandelier. For this project, I wanted to create glamour in a Park Avenue duplex. I achieved this with a light neutral palette, reflective materials, and a pop of color. Thank you so much for joining me.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.